I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go
Come get some more. Come on, Tuku. Would you like some more pork? Oh, it bit me. You bitch. Fight for this. Come here. Here's a hot dog bun. I wonder if ducks eat duck.
Gross. That's cannibalism.
Come here, ducky. Come here. Choo. Look, it's coming. Oh, it's actually coming.
Pulling back.
No! I'm gonna actually grab it. I've experienced some duck grabbing. Hello, ducky. Here. Hello. Cranky. You have to be very quiet. I'm catching you!
I didn't know ducks could fly.
Big deal! Are you serious?
I know you're tired, boy, you're dangerous. Yeah, you're that guy I'd be stupid to trust. But just one night couldn't be so wrong.